What does MBE scaled scoring mean? Have you ever wondered how the Multistate Bar Exam determines your score? Today, we are going to break down the concept of MBE scaled scoring and why it matters for your bar exam preparation. The Multistate Bar Exam is a key part of the bar exam in many states. It tests your knowledge across 7 core areas of law with a total of 200 multiple-choice questions. However, only 175 of these questions are actually scored. The remaining 25 questions are experimental and do not impact your final score. So, how does scoring work? First, you receive a raw score based on the number of questions you answered correctly out of those 175. This raw score is then converted into a scaled score. The scaled score ranges from 40 to 200, with 200 being the highest score possible. This conversion process is known as equating. It helps to ensure fairness by adjusting for differences in exam difficulty across different test administrations. For instance, if one exam is notably harder than another, the scoring will adjust to reflect that. Now, what does this mean for you as a law student preparing for the bar exam? Generally, to pass the MBE, you need to answer about 66% of the graded questions correctly. However, this percentage can vary slightly depending on your jurisdiction and how well you perform on other parts of the bar exam. Understanding MBE scaled scoring is essential for creating effective study strategies. When you know how the scoring works, you can set realistic goals for your practice exams. Aim for a high percentage of correct answers to ensure you are on track for the actual exam. This knowledge can also help you manage your expectations and reduce stress during your preparation. Bar exam review courses often provide resources that explain MBE scaled scoring in detail. They can help you practice with questions that mimic the actual exam format. Utilizing these resources can give you a better sense of how to approach your study sessions. In summary, MBE scaled scoring is a method that ensures fairness in the scoring process of the Multistate Bar Exam. It converts your raw score into a scaled score, allowing for adjustments based on exam difficulty. Knowing how this scoring works can significantly aid your bar exam preparation and help you achieve your goal of passing the exam.